Tinashe Hair again. So I got a bag and a box, so we're gonna look what's in the box first. I'm thinking this has all the goodies. Yes, it does. So I got a pair of lashes. I also got a bonnet. I got a pair of these clips, a branded Tinashe elastic headband, a pair of HD wig caps. Also got another pair of these clips and some hairpins. There's a lot of goodies in here and I love that. An edge brush and comb. And then I got this headband, really cute. So in the box here we have the wig. You're seeing some information on the wig that is sent. There's an information card inside with their social media platforms listed. Also it's showing that the wig that we got today is 24 inches and the style is STW. All right, so ooh, some gorgeous straight hair. Really excited about that. This is the wig that we're working with today. This hair, oh my gosh, so silky. I got this adjustable elastic band, which is to attach on the inside of the cap. It's a dome cap constructed wig. Is there a 6x5 lace closure, HD lace closure, wear and go straight wig. It's pre-bleach, pre-cut. It's a pre-bleach and pre-cut lace. It's also pre-plucked, and it's 24 inches that we're working with today. It's a 1B color, as you can see, but it looks really, oh wait, you guys are not in focus, I'm sorry about that. It looks very realistic. Look at that, so gorgeous, man. So you know, a 6x5 lace closure is definitely giving us more space to work with, and I love that. You could do a nice side part, center part, and look at that lace. It's perfectly customized. You don't need to worry about taking this to the hair salon or you having to customize it yourself, because it's so beautifully done already. And it's a dome cap construction. They also ensure to give it that C cut. For the ear portion, this is what accommodates your ears, so it sits comfortably around your ear portion. So I love that they're looking into making, you know, the whole wig wearing experience more comfortable. These are the loops that you can go ahead and attach the elastic band into, which is what really helps to keep the wig secure on your head. So this piece right here, this bit, is very important. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and attach this right now. And we're gonna just get into this very easy and very beginner friendly wig install. So very easy, very to the point. You can adjust it to how loose or tight you want it to be. So all you need to do is ensure that you take this portion and you pretty much just use it to slip right on over your head. So that's what I'm gonna do. And that's literally that. It's a medium cap, by the way. I don't remember if I told you guys, but yeah, it's a medium cap. So right off the bat, it just glided on. Right off the bat, it just glided onto my head very easily, and it's sitting around my ear comfortably. Like, you see that? It's sitting. You see, like, sorry, I haven't done anything to the lace. This is exactly how it looks straight out of the box. It's laying pretty flat. I'm still gonna go in with my hot comb just to make it lay a little flatter, like right here. But the hair is so silky. This is straight out of the box. I haven't, you know, used any product or anything on it. It's very true to length. Yeah, it's very much giving very true to length. I have a very minimalistic like makeup vibe going on. It's giving clean girl, you know. Oh, and I did a little liner lip look. So yeah, so like it looks so believable. Like, I don't know, very undetectable lace. So there's just a bit here that doesn't have any hair on it, like on the lace, and I'm just gonna cut away. It's really tiny piece, and this can help to further eliminate any castiness that's there. There's really not much to do. This is literally a wig installation in 2 minutes. The only thing is going to take up some time is just me going into further like style the wig. But that's it. That is it, guys. Tinashe, you knew what you were doing. 10 out of 10 recommend this so far. Barely any shedding. Dang. Like, you guys see me here a lot showing you different options, like different wig options. Like, believe me when I tell you, say the wig industry has took a turn for the better. Like, it's just constantly on the up and up and up. Everybody's just leveling up. The companies, they're not playing. Like, you know, since recent time, there's a lot of girls like, I'm tired of wearing a wig. You know, the glue I can't deal with product on my hairline. It's damaging my edges. These wigs will not interfere with your edges. You don't need any product. Like, you really don't. Like, in 2024, I shouldn't hear anybody complaining about wigs damaging their edges. Because one thing for sure is there's gonna be a great constructed glueless wig. Like, talk the truth. Unalignmented. Like, I give you guys so much options. Great protective style. And you can keep your edges. Yeah. I love that for us. So, like, it's a win-win kind of situation. You look cute. You look good. And you don't have to worry about sacrificing your edges anymore. Well, this is the wig. The silkiness, it's so beautiful. Like, wow, that is gorgeous. That is just immaculate. Love the construction. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Super convenient, super easy. Like, the ultimate slip-on and the ultimate slip-on wear and go wig, glueless wig. Beginners, where are you guys at? Because this is for you, okay? Yeah, don't want to dedicate it to you especially. And all my girlies that don't care to be in their hair all day, like, but you want to look good, like, you want to look snatched, you want to look sharp, you want to look sleek. This is your wig. Tinashe made it happen for you. Like, yeah, 10 out of 10. Highly recommend this. The link to this wig will be in my description box. Okay, the first link down there will be to this wig. So if you're interested, you could go ahead and you could get this for yourself. You could even tuck this away behind your ears like this. Like, no one will know that it's a closure. Same way it lays so flat. That's one of my favorite things about these upgraded, like, wear and go glueless wigs. Like, the closure, one time in the past, the closure, where the closure stopped, it would be kind of lumpy. No, not with these upgraded ones. So I love that. very realistic. Nobody can tell it's not a frontal. Like, it looks good, it looks good. But yeah, all the necessary information will be in my description box. If there are any deals, anything like that, it will be listed. Thank you guys so much for checking out today's wig look. I feel so brand new in this wig. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just gonna make up on yourself. Bye.